Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the tube of a bicycle wheel. Now we have to rotate the cycle upside down and take out the bolt. I'm going to unscrew this bolt. Now I will carefully take out this wheel. Now I'm going to take out this tube from the wheel. My dad brought this new tube. And now we're going to fit it onto the wheel. Before I put this new tube in the tire, I'm making sure there's no sharp objects. Now I'm going to put the new tube in the tire. Now I put the new tube in the tire, and now we have to put it onto the rim. Now I have to put the wheel back in here the same way how I took it out. Now I put the wheel in the same place where I took it out, and now I have to put the bolts in. Now I'm tightening it with a wrench. Let's go out and pump air in this tire. Okay guys, now we just fixed the tire. All set guys, I'm ready to fly now. Guys, don't forget one thing.